Quick question for you. Ever feel like your audience is falling asleep during a presentation? You know that feeling when you're up there talking? It's like crickets. Well, what if I told you there's a way to turn those crickets into actual claps? Stay with me for the next 6 minutes because I'm about to show you exactly how. Look, we've all been there. You spend hours crafting the perfect presentation. You've got great content. You know your stuff. But when you get up there, silence. Maybe you're a teacher and your students are staring at their desk. Maybe you're presenting for your team and everyone's checking their phones. Or maybe you're speaking at an event and you can literally see people's eyes glaze over. The truth is, traditional slide decks are just boring. They're one-way conversations. You talk, they listen, end of story. And here's what makes this even worse. You know your audience has thoughts. You know they have questions, but they're not sharing them because your presentation doesn't give them a way to jump in. Think about your shy participants. They've got brilliant ideas, but they'll never raise their hand in front of everyone else. Plus, you try to add interactions. You're juggling 5 different tools. A polling app here, a quiz platform there, and maybe a chatting thing over there. It's technical chaos. And meanwhile, your presentation time is ticking away. Your audience is mentally checking out. And you're thinking, there has to be a better way. Well, there is. And it's called Ahaslides. Ahaslides is an interactive presentation platform. Let me show you how this actually works. First, creating slides is incredibly easy. You've got AI-powered templates that help you build presentations 5 times faster than normal. Just tell it what you're presenting about and boom, you've got a professionally looking deck ready to go. Now here's where the magic happens. Let's add a live poll. I'll ask, what's your biggest presentation challenge? Multiple choice answers and done. When I present this, my audience join on their phones and start voting immediately. The results appear live. Everyone can see them building in real time. But it gets better. Let's add an anonymous Q&A. Now people can ask questions without putting themselves on the spot. Your shy participants, they're suddenly your most active contributors. And my personal favorite is word clouds. I ask something like, describe your ideal presentation in 1 word, and watch as words appear and grow based on how many people submit them. It's mesmerizing. Your audience can't look away. So what does this actually mean for you? First, instant audience involvement. No more talking to a blank stares. Second, your quiet participants finally have a voice. Anonymous responses mean everyone feels safe to engage. Third, your presentations become more memorable. People don't just sit there, they participate. And fourth, you actually get data, export that data in real time. See what your audience really thinks about. Fifth, you save massive amounts of time. Those AI templates means you're building slides in minutes, not hours. Bottom line, you go from crickets to applause, from boring to brilliant. Don't just take my word for it. Teachers using Ahaslides seeing 80% more students' participation. Business teams are finally having meetings where everyone's contributing. Conference speakers are getting standing ovations because their audience feels truly involved. Over 2 million presenters worldwide already use Ahaslides to transform their presentations. And the best part, you can try it for completely free. So here's what I want you to do right now. Go to ahaslides.com and sign up for free. Create your first poll slide. It takes literally 60 seconds. Drop your link next to your presentation, share it with your audience, and watch what happens. I guarantee you'll never go back to boring decks again. Your audience will thank you. Your connections will land better. You'll actually enjoy making presentations again. Remember this, people don't remember slides. They remember how you made them feel. And with Ahaslides, they feel involved. Go make your next presentation unforgettable. Till the next time, guys, stay dangerous.